Father, let's go.
Oof, she's going. Wait, I'm coming.
Aunt, Aunt Nipa is very angry with me, right?
Why? Why will she not get angry? Do you know Shri? Nowadays, have also become as bad-tempered as Sid. What was the need for you to snatch the perfume bottle from Nipa and throw it away? All of you know that my daughter loves dressing up.
Sulata, whatever she did was right. Why are you shouting at Shri? I heard everything from Rajiv and Nanda. And how much do you know Aditya Agarwal? What was the need to accept a perfume bottle from Aditya Agarwal?
What do you mean? So, what if she took a perfume bottle from him? After all, he's Sid's friend. He speaks to Mithai so sweetly and calls her sister-in-law.
You mean the one who changes his cars every day?
Yes, Mithai, the very Aditya Agarwal. He saw Nipa at the restaurant, so he walked up to them and joined them.
You know what? Even I didn't like the way he was behaving. When he saw us, he just ran away.
You have a problem with everything. Hey, Appa, why don't you think that Shri shouldn't have thrown the perfume bottle? Is that right? I don't know. Anyway, I have to go to the terrace. I have to water the plants. Mithai,
Yes,
Rajiv has come. Please make tea for him.
sure. Brother-in-law, I'm bringing cream tea for you.
Definitely. This is why, Mithai, you are the best. You are very smart.
Mother? Why didn't you say anything to Sulata today? You should have said something. Nipa is like this only because of Sulata. There is no maturity in her. How will she able to live with Sushmita?
Yes, even I am a little worried about it. After all, my mother is very strict.
That is why Amu wasn't agreeing for her marriage. You all are the ones who pushed this alliance. When Nipa's mother isn't mature, how will Nipa mature?
Sister Nipa, will you come back soon?
I will come, Mithai. I will come only for you. And not for anybody else.
Oh, Sister Shri, tell me why are you so sad? Don't worry at all. Sister Nipa will be perfectly fine. Okay, sister, you tell Brother Ratul to call Sister Nipa.
That will be done. But who will cheer up our dear Shri Toma?
And the only person here who can lift your spirits is me. Hello, Shri. Tell me, what do you want to eat? I will go and get it for you.
Even Mithai can treat you, Sister Shri. Just tell me what do you want to eat. I'll prepare for you before going to the factory. Do you know? Uncle Rosamai? I mean our head cook? Today I have to ask him, why can't we prepare our own cottage cheese? The one who delivers gives very poor quality stuff. That's why the sweets aren't of a good quality. As Uncle was saying,
Shri, do you have any medicine for heartburn? I have heartburn.
Let me see, Som. How did you get heartburn all of a sudden?
I don't
Why
know.
will he not have Sister Shri? Last night, Shom did not eat at home out of anger. Will he able to digest the oily and spicy food outside easily? So he got heartburn. Okay, let me bring puffed rice water. It will cool your
Do you
stomach.
know this too? Look, Rajiv. She is an expert in everything. Siddharth has really got a smart wife. Hey, Siddharth. Listen to me. Come here. How many qualities your wife has? The way your wife is able to check the quality of a cottage cheese. In the same way, she also knows what to eat and what to not. She also knows the remedies. The cure also. She is the future of Modak family's business. One day everyone will be looking up to Mithai instead of your father. What a wife you've got. Excellent. You might not have known while marrying her that you've got a jewel wife. Anyway, tell your wife one thing. Don't try to teach me my life. No need to think me as a member of this family and not to look after me. She need not speak in my matters.
This is why. This is why I told Mithai that she should not join the business. Did you realize what Shom is going through, Shri? And didn't I ask you to just keep quiet? What was the need to comment on Shom's matter? Look, Mithai, I hope you have the brain to understand the humiliation Shom is feeling ever since you have joined the business. Aren't you satisfied after making life hell for me? Is it so important for you to create a problem in the family?
Why are you speaking to me like that for no reason? I was going to bring puffed rice water for his own good because it cools stomach. Is Shom used to eating from hotels? Tell me. He's bound to get heartburn. And if you're really that concerned for Shom, then tell him that Mithai will work at the factory as an ordinary employee. Shom will be the only head there.
Mithai, you stop crying. Calm down. Look, Siddharth, the way Som is behaving lately is not correct. Mithai was trying to lighten the atmosphere. Now, if Som doesn't understand that, then what can we do about it?
Listen, Rajiv, you please don't support everyone. Tell Grandpa not to send her to the shop, please. She will go there and comment about everything. She will hurt Shom's ego, Rajiv, and you're not understanding that fact. What was the point of doing such a business? Just tell me.
Brother Rajiv, please ask the angry teacher of your house. Why does he insult grandfather's business by calling it foolish? Is this not grandfather's insult?
Look, Mithai, you don't lecture me, all right? I know exactly when Grandpa feels humiliated at my words and when he doesn't, okay?
No, you don't. One who always talks about closing this business. He doesn't understand what causes humiliation. This business is grandfather's life. The joy of preparing sweets and feeding people is not something that people who sit inside AC rooms and work with telephones and gadgets will ever understand. That is why they think this business is foolish. The joy of earning one's own money can't be found in enslavement of others. And Mithai is saying this to your face.
Listen, I'll immediately tell Grandpa that you will not do this business. You will not go to the shop because I will not allow it. Enough.
Oh no. Oh, Mithai, why did you have to talk so much?
What should I do, brother-in-law? When Mithai starts talking at her speed, she simply cannot control herself.
But you have to control yourself. Hey, Shri. Nanda, you don't stay here. Go. Hurry up. Go to Grandpa. Siddharth has left now and he's full of conviction. When he said, I will not allow you to go, that means he won't allow her to go. I have to go to the office, otherwise I would have gone with you too.
No, Rajiv. Siddharth won't be able to stop Mithai.
What?
I have noticed this. Mithai's lord always helps her. Don't worry.
But Sister Shri, I must have said too much to him, right?
Exactly. Does anyone lecture their husband so much? Especially if your husband is someone like Mr. Bittergourd. Mithai, you better start praying to your Lord.
Oh Lord, please help. Help me.
Grandpa, Mithai must not go to the base kitchen from today. There's no need for her to go to any base kitchen. I'm seriously telling you this.
What has happened now?
Grandpa, Mithai has created many problems in the family, and I don't want all this. Grandpa, why are you sending her to the business? What are we getting from it? The business has been running for all these years. And if there is so much of problem, then just sell off the shops.
Siddharth? Have you lost your mind completely? You're telling Siddheshwar Modak to sell the business?
Then Siddharth, have you ever thought what will happen to people like yourself?
Welcome. Hello.
Hello.
Did you like the sweets?
Was it all right? It was fantastic, uncle. You know, everyone praised it a lot. Tell them, if they could, they would have placed an order right away.
Oh,
Somehow we stopped him. We said, Siddheshwar Modak has made this at home especially for us. How should I thank you, Uncle Siddheshwar? It was just fantastic. Where is Mithai?
uh,
Where is the real person?
here she comes. As we take her name. Come.
Mithai? Why are you so afraid of your husband? Did he shout at you if the sweets are not good?
Mithai, if Siddharth shouts at you, then your uncle will scold him. Your sweets were very good. Thank you so much.
You are the one who manages everything, right? Listen, why aren't you introducing these exotic sweets in your shop? Maybe this time we will introduce, sir.
First of all, please be seated.
No. We will not sit today. Actually, we have come here to tell you something. You know that our son stays abroad. Actually, his marriage is fixed. So, yesterday, a few people came. I mean, his future in laws came. The girl's parents also stay abroad. They praise the sweet so much, Uncle Siddheshwar. I mean, what to say? You made us feel so proud. I feel I made my country proud, Uncle. That's why we have brought a gift for Siddharth and Mithai.
Ma'am, you already have given a gift again. What's the need for another one?
Siddharth, Mithai has called your sir uncle. That means what? Mithai is also my daughter. Listen, Siddharth, your sir told that you are such a workaholic that after marriage you haven't taken a single day's leave. Uncle
Yes.
Siddheshwar, this is not done. You have to take leave, Siddharth. Listen, you take a leave and spend a few days with Mithai. What happened?
Oh,
Give
yes.
them.
Take it. Hold it.
This is the booking of a five-star hotel's package.
Uncle, don't allow him to make any excuse. This is Mithai's gift. And it won't be more than a couple of days. It's a 2 days package. You leave today itself.
Sir, actually, I have a lot of work in the office. Actually, I have to complete all the projects.
My grandson has fallen into a huge difficulty now. His boss is on one side, and on the other side is Mithai. Think what will you do? You have got a good opportunity. Take the leave, grandson.
Hey, crazy one. Have you understood you're going on a honeymoon?
What is honeymoon?
Nanda, please explain it to her. Okay, listen. What do you think? Will Siddharth go?
What are you saying? Please explain it to me.
Come. Come.
What is it, Nanda? What happened?
Oh, Sister Shri, please call brother-in-law. Sister Nanda is behaving weirdly. Is your health okay?
But what do you mean? What happened? Is your health okay?
Hey, such a stupid sister. If brother's wife is around, how will my health be good? Tell me. Hey, Mithai, come here. Wear this once, please.
What?
Hey, Nanda, will Mithai wear this dress? No, I mean,
That's why I told you, stupid. Do you even know Siddharth's boss has arranged honeymoon package for Siddharth and Mithai? Siddharth and Mithai will stay together there. Mithai will have to wear night dress, right? Mithai doesn't have a night dress.
no, Nanda. I think you are getting excited unnecessarily. I don't think Siddharth will take Mithai with him. You see, he will find an excuse to finally cancel the plan.
Shri, don't say that. If at all Siddharth didn't have to go, he would have told earlier. So, we will have to pack Mithai's bag, right? Mithai, try it and see whether it fits you or not. Go. And how will I make her understand now? Hey, Shri,
Hmm.
please go outside.
Why?
Hey, listen, get up and go. Get up
I'm
and
going.
go out.
Why are
Go
you
out.
pushing
Hey,
me?
just
Oh,
go.
oh,
Just go.
What happened? Why are you staring at me?
I had a question to ask. Will you really take Mithai with you? No, I mean, if you don't want to go, you can say it now so that she won't expect in vain.
Do you really think that I have any other option left? You must be immensely happy to see me fall into this trap. See, I'm in a difficult situation. All of you can enjoy.